Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get ByBit Card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your ByBit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this More tab on the home page and then you will be landed on this Services page. Now here you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you are in the finance section and until you see this card option. So if you have found card option, so you simply need to tap on card and then you will be redirected on this application page. Now over here you first have to tap on the option of apply now and then you just have to select your country of residence. In order to select it, you will have to tap on the option and after that you just have to select your country. After selecting your country, you will have to press the confirm button. Then you will be redirected on this eligibility page where you will have to provide your identity verification. Here you will be given a bunch of different options that you can use to verify your identity. After that, it will take some time to verify your identity. It can also take up to 24 hours as well. So you just have to wait for some time until it is verifying your identity. Once done, you just have to confirm your mobile number and your email address, and you can even add my referral code into it in order to get some more benefits. So I will put my referral code down in the description box so you can use that on the next page, and then you just have to confirm your application, and this way you will be able to easily order your ByBit card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.